So if you do have a BPPV or a vertigo, this is the exercise you would be doing at home to help get those crystals back in their slot and to help with the dizziness. This is the Epley's maneuver. Let's say the patient's coming in with right-sided dizziness. So this is how we do the technique in the practice. So we're starting long sitting just here. You're gonna turn your head 45 degrees to the right, this way, yep. And you're gonna hold this position for about 30 seconds, okay? From here, I'm gonna support your head. You're gonna trust me and you're gonna sit down. See it? Yep, keep going, hold that position. Keep going, all the way down, I've got you. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yep, good. So you're holding this position for 30 seconds, again, 45 degrees. After 30 seconds, you're gonna rotate 90 degrees this way. Good. And the patient should be completely relaxed. Should trust the practitioner to be able to hold their head up like this. The next part's the hard part. In this position, you're gonna rotate your body this way. So hold your head here. I want you to twist your shoulders all the way over.
Like actually?
Yep, so twist your whole body. Good, and you should be on the shoulder like that. Again, we're holding for about 30 seconds, okay? And the last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna sit up, okay? So legs over the edge of the bed. Yep, both legs. Good, yep, and then we're gonna sit up. And you stay here for about 30 seconds, okay? At any time, if the patient wants to vomit or it's getting really bad, just discontinue the treatment, but you wanna prolong the dizziness as long as possible. So if you don't have a practitioner or someone to help you, you can do the Epley's maneuver at home as an exercise. So there's a traditional way, which I showed you before, or there's a modified way you can do at home. So say you're at home, lying on your bed, you're gonna start by looking 45 degrees. I'm gonna say I'm this direction. So looking 45 degrees here, again, holding for about 30 seconds. Then you're gonna drop yourself down to the pillow and you're gonna hold it again 45 degrees. This one 30 seconds. Next step is you're gonna turn your head 90 degrees this way. So I'm turning to face here. Again, about 30 seconds. And the next part is to rotate my body, but keeping my head still. So keeping this here, I'm going to rotate my body. So I'm facing this way, again, 30 seconds. And then to sit up, you're going to push off your elbow. So I'm gonna turn over this way. So let's say I'm sitting in this position. So to get up off the bed, you're going to drop your legs over the edge of the bed, using the weight of the legs and using your elbow to push up into that final position, holding for about 30 seconds.